The Perforce P4 DAM can ingest CAD files, but they can't be previewed directly, they're just too large. RapidPipeline can quickly fix this by automatically making a compact preview asset in GLTF format. Maya can import step files, but they don't look great, mostly from a bad winding order after tessellation. Even with two-sided rendering, it's not great. The solution is to use the RapidPipeline plugin for Maya. RapidPipeline's CAD importer has helpful options for tessellating CAD files, including an automated fix for faces with bad winding order. RapidPipeline uses ray tracing to discover which parts are facing the wrong way, flipping those, and merging edge vertices as needed. The imported and tessellated file looks great. RapidPipeline also has a file exporter to generate a compact GLB file. You can use various compression methods, but even as is, this turns a 400 megabyte step file into a 12 megabyte GLB file. Let's upload that preview file. Now when you click on the step asset, you get a handy real-time 3D preview, which uses the RapidPipeline generated GLB file. You can even make a nice thumbnail. RapidPipeline provides a set of quick and easy tools that makes optimizing 3D assets a breeze. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.